Hello, it's Leslie and welcome to my channel. Well, in case you haven't guessed it, this is being filmed at Christmas time, so please excuse the adornments. So what I'm going to talk to you today about is Christmas Day. Now, Christmas Day is coming soon. It's a couple of days from now, and I wanted to help you to just choose the right things to eat on Christmas Day. And yeah, I've actually been through 33 Christmases and I've enjoyed everything and I've not had to worry about putting on any weight. So I thought maybe you'd like to just get a few tips from me. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I will come back with more tips, maybe not with the aid of Rudolph, but I'll be here to help you to learn how to eat healthily all the time. Now, Christmas Day is a special day, I know, and the run-up to Christmas is also special. So I'm just going to walk through with you some of the things that would be really, really advisable to do. I've just remembered the light's not on. Is that any better? I'll try to carry on from here. So where are we? We're talking about what to do in the Christmas season in terms of food so that you don't put on any weight. Well, I am a great fan of enjoying everything in moderation. And so, you can have something that you enjoy all the time, all through the year, and Christmas is no different. But when it comes to Christmas, there's different kinds of foods around and different kinds of drinks around. And I'm not going to lie, I do enjoy a Baileys, I do enjoy some Prosecco, and I do like the occasional glass of red wine. That's my particular preference. And, if you fancy some different kinds of drinks, go for it. All I'm going to say is do it in moderation, because that's the key to success. Now, to help you with that moderation, two things. One is make sure that in between everything that you eat and drink, you have water. Stay hydrated. Keep drinking water throughout the day, and that will really, really help to not only flush out the toxins and make you feel really well, but also it will also aid you not eating quite so much. So that will be a great help, first off. The other thing that I always do is I always start my Christmas day as I do every day. I have my Herbalife Nutrition shake. Why do I do that? Well, because when you get the right balance of nutrition in your body works the miracle of health. And that is, it tells you when you've had enough, it burns off and metabolizes the fats that you don't need, and it just makes you feel good as opposed to sluggish all day. So that's what I do. I have my Herbalife shake for my breakfast, and then if I fancy, a Bucks Fizz or a mimosa or just a nice sparkly champers or Prosecco. Prosecco is my preferred drink, actually. That's fine. And then when it comes to eating throughout the day, well, I always choose things that are more protein based. Now, you're not going to have a problem with carbohydrates because carbohydrates are there all the time. Everything that's Christmassy contains carbohydrates pretty much. All the sweets, all the chocolates, all the cakes, all the mince pies, all the puddings, all the chocolates, they all are sweets, sugar, carbohydrate. And then you have other things that are like potatoes and pastries, again, carbohydrates. So don't worry, that's going to happen anyway, but just try and moderate them, because what I am going to suggest is that you look at your plate and think about putting more protein on your plate than you would carbohydrate. So by that, I mean, you can put turkey, you can put ham, any kind of meat, any kind of fish. Also, I would suggest you have things like olives, avocado, cheeses, any kind of nuts, anything that's vegetable-y, other than potatoes and parsnips, of course, but have your potato, 1 or 2 roast potatoes, 1 or 2 roast parsnips, that's fine. but also include anything that you can find that's a vegetable. Sprouts, carrots, avocado. Is that a tomato? Tomato, avocado, are they fruits or vegetables? Not sure, but those are fine. Stay with anything that's fruity or vegetable-y, and you're going to be great. And as I said, add in the turkey, the meats, the fish, anything like that, perfectly good. Good for you. Keep adding the protein on the plate. Now, proteins are great because proteins are there to help you feel less hungry. They feed your muscles, and your muscles do the magic job when they're being fed of burning off your body fat. So we like protein because it gets rid of body fat in your body. So that's a clever trick that your body knows how to do with protein. So that's another tip. So make sure that you're hydrating, make sure that you're having protein, and then make sure that you have one of everything so you don't feel you're missing out. And that's going to be great. And I promise you, those 3 things will keep you going throughout Christmas, and in fact, throughout the rest of the Christmas season. Have yourself maybe a mince pie or a Bailey's pre-Christmas, and just enjoy the things there are to enjoy. Don't feel guilty about Christmas. It's not, it comes once a year, and it's not something that you want to suffer. So enjoy every day and have a sensible and moderate amount, and you're going to feel great, and you won't have to suffer the consequences. So that's my advice to you. I hope you enjoy doing that. And I promise you, it feels so much nicer than coming to the end of the Christmas and feeling like a beached whale. I've done that. I've been there, and I hated it. And now, every year, I'm not being goody two-shoes. I'm not being super virtuous. I'm still enjoying everything, but it's the mindset. It's the decision that I am in control. I am able to enjoy what there is to enjoy while it's there and not suffer the consequences. And you can too. So I hope that helps to have a very, very happy and Merry Christmas. And I will see you again really soon, probably on the other side of Christmas. And I hope that you've been good. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up if there was anything helpful here. And if you need some help from a Herbalife Nutrition coach, if you haven't got one already, get in touch with me. My contact details are below in this video. But if you have got a coach, I'm sure they'll be able to help you with the right nutrition to get you set up for Christmases and New Year for a long, long time. So enjoy and have fun, and see you again soon. Bye for now.